this example, we are going to see how to use GETPIVOTDATA in any pivot table to extract values. So for doing the same, what we are going to do is we are going to come to the sheet with the name of pivot, which have a pivot already available. As we have already discussed that whenever your cell pointer is outside the pivot, it will not show us any pivot table related context tab. Neither it will show us the field values, but as soon as we click over here, it will show us the pivot table fields over here and pivot table related context sensitive tabs over here. So what I want is that I wanted to know Germany's sales. So what I type over here, Germany's sales, and I want data to become from the pivot table. I just click equals to, as we do in any formula before writing any formula. As soon as I click on Germany, it is showing us the get pivot data, and the first parameter is data field from where they want to actually pull the data. So sales amount is the data field from which we want to pull the data. Then the number 2 parameter is pivot table. Our pivot table is starting from A3. This is the starting cell of the pivot table. Then region. Region is the criteria field which we want to see. So region is Europe and sub-region is Germany. So region is Europe and sub-region is Germany. I haven't typed this formula myself, and whenever we press equals to and click on pivot table itself, it automatically pulls this formula, writes this formula. As soon as I press enter, you can see that it is pulling data from Germany and France. So why would I take that much trouble writing this formula? What I can do is I can type equals to B6. That is also possible, and both of them are giving us the same result. This is the get pivot data function, and this is a simple equals to B6 function. So now I'm going to tell you the actual advantage of this specific function. So for example, what I do is I wanted to add another summary item over here. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the market and drop it over here. So you can see as soon as I have pulled the market and dropped it over here, so now you can see that it is showing us Germany's sale, and get pivot data is giving us the same value because it is based on the formula. But on the other hand, the equals to B6 changed the value because now in B6 Germany is not in the B6 but France is. So this is the utility of get pivot data, that whenever you change your pivot table, it don't automatically change the data itself. So final thing, what I wanted to do is that so whenever you have seen that both the values are changed. So one problem will occur when we use get pivot data. So for example, it is calculating the value based on region and sub-region. If I remove any of these columns or cells from here, you see that I have removed sub-region from here, but you can see that it automatically gives us a reference error. Why it is giving us a reference error? Because the sub-region field does not exist in this pivot table. So get pivot data is a good function which can be used whenever you wanted to pull any data from a pivot table, but the columns and rows should be there which you wanted to use in the function itself. You can use also equals to cell reference, but this needs to be like whenever you change the pivot table or order is changed, this needs to be like taken care of, otherwise it will give you a wrong idea of the fields. So for example, if I sort Z to A, so you can see that this get pivot table data is giving you the same value. Even your Germany is coming on B19, but this specific function equals to B6 is giving you wrong value because Australia is coming in B6. So hope that this specific video uh, get you understanding of get pivot data function. Thank you so much.